Industry Data Analytics latest published Global Air Conditioning Accessories Market 2022 Rising Business Opportunities and Global Trends till 2027. The air conditioner market is projected to register a CAGR of greater than 6.7% during the forecast period, 2022 to 2027. The air conditioning, AC, industry is expected to witness vast growth due to the increasing temperature and humidity levels across the world, along with the rising acceptance of air conditioners as an efficacy product rather than a luxury product. The global air conditioning accessories market is registered 6.7% CAGR in terms of revenue. The global market size will reach $24.30 billion by 2027. Global air conditioning accessories market players are ProPre, Philips, Schneider, QIC, Sanis, Honyar, Kurta, CE-Link, and others. Furthermore, the global air conditioning accessories market is divided by type, and by applications. Key highlights. Panasonic Corporation, the worldwide leader in the development of HVAC&R along with System Air, the global specialist in ventilation and applied air conditioning technology, today announced a strategic partnership to develop integrated and sustainable solutions for the commercial and residential sectors. Midea, the world's largest producer of major appliances, announces a new product, Breezeless Plus Acclimatization and Refrigeration. Madrid Climatization and Refrigeration is one of the leading trade fairs for air conditioning, ventilation, cooling and heating technology in Europe. Thank you for watching us. For more information visit us at industrydataanalytics.com.